The best DJ mixer app for Android. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you the best DJ app for your phone. So all what you have to do is go to Play Store. This is the home page as you can see. Now right here search for Agent Mix and you will find this app right here as you can see. Now, all what you have to do is click install and install the app. This app is very easy to use and it have very pro features like auto mix, smart EQ and pre-queuing. And also you have many other options. As you can see, those are some photos from the app. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.